kleine vriendjes. Laten we in de plassen springen en een leuk Engels liedje zingen over de regen. Doei!
The sun has appeared, it's time to wake up now. Stretch those arms, let's get out of our beds. One foot after the other, walk, 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 'cause the day is about to begin. Brush your teeth well, up and down again. Turn on the tap now and wash that pretty face. Now you really woke up, rinse and rinse and rinse it all. The day is about to begin. What will we have for breakfast today? Will it be a banana or will it be an apple? Will we have some milk today or just pineapple juice? I hope we have some sandwiches, yummy, yummy, yummy. Let's say good morning, 'cause that's how it's done. Good morning, Giramille, good morning, Mom and Dad. Good morning, everyone. Be nice, be nice, be nice, 'cause the day is about to begin. It's time to go to school and it's time to get ready, so we can learn together and have a good time with friends. The clock doesn't stop, so hurry, 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 'cause you know that we cannot be late. I'm almost getting hungry, it must be lunchtime, so let's eat something healthy so we'll feel really good. I want to eat my veggies 'cause they make me big and strong, so I can grow up tall and play while I'm small. Now it's time to go home, it's time to get some rest. The sun is really tired, so the moon is on its way. The afternoon is ending, so let's go, 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 'cause the day is just about to end. It's time to take a bath now, let's get ourselves clean. Wash the dirt away and put our jammies on. Grab a sponge and soap, scrub and scrub and scrub, 'cause the day is just about to end. Dinner has arrived, time to eat, so grab a plate. Don't forget to brush your teeth after you've eaten everything. On my comfy bed, I am going to lay down. It's just one more little story and then I will fall asleep. The moon is brightly shining, it's time to go to sleep. Let's rest and dream tonight so our tomorrow can be good. I hope you have a good night. Sleep, 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 'cause the night is just about to start. Giramille, Giramille, where are you? Where are you? I really wanna find you, I really wanna find you. Come to play, come to play. Diane Jim, Diane Jim, where are you guys? Where are you guys? Come on over here, come on over here. Come to play, come to play. Mane and trunk, mane and trunk, where are you guys? Where are you guys? Come on over here, come on over here. Come to play, come to play. Nina and Tuko, Nina and Tuko, where are you guys? Where are you guys? Come on over here, come on over here. Come to play, come to play, come to play, come to play. Little butterfly is in the kitchen making chocolate pudding for her godmother. What could it be with a wooden leg, an eye of glass, and a woodpecker's nose? Little butterfly is in the kitchen making chocolate pudding for her godmother. What cockroach says she has 7 kinds of mini skirts, but she doesn't need to lie. She has one and can't deny. Ha ha ha, ha ha ha. She has one and nothing more. Ha ha ha, ha ha ha. She has one and nothing more. So the cockroach says she has a brand new red buckle shoe, but she doesn't need to lie. It's her mom, she can't deny. Ha ha ha, ho ho ho. It's her mom's and that I know. Ha ha ha, ho ho ho. It's her mom's and that I know. So the cockroach says she has a graduation ring, but she doesn't need to lie. It's not true, she can't deny. Ha ha ha, ho ho ho. No, she doesn't and we know. Ha ha ha, ho ho ho. No, she doesn't and we know. Guitar! Says she has 7 kinds of mini skirts, but she doesn't need to lie. She has one and can't deny. Ha ha ha, ha ha ha. She has one and nothing more. Ha ha ha, ha ha ha. She has one and nothing more. So the cockroach says she has a stylish velvet shoe, but she doesn't need to lie. It's her feet, she can't deny. Ha ha ha, ha ha ha. She has a very hairy toe. Ha ha ha, ha ha ha. She has a very hairy toe. So the cockroach says she has a very nice ride, but she doesn't need to lie. It's a trike, she can't deny. Ha ha ha, ha ha ha. Just how far does she go? Ha ha ha, ha ha ha.